Hello friends, I am your friend Manoj from Paras Adenium. Today we will talk about a plant whose name is Champaca plant. Today's video is based on the Champaca plant. In this we will tell you how you can plant Champaca plant at home and how to get beauty in your garden from it. Before starting the video, you are requested that if you like our video then you should subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to also that the notification of our other upcoming videos can reach you first as well as the video. Like and comment and tell us how you liked our video. So let's start the video on the complete introduction and care of Champaca plant. Champaca is a part of the incredibly old and intriguing Magnolia genus. Magnolia flowers always develop at the very tip of branches and have a slender, cup-like look. Each flower has 6 to 12 petals and exhibits a variety of hues from white to yellow, as well as all shades of pink and purple. One of the earliest garden bloomers, Magnolia blossoms are a crucial supply of pollen for early rising insects, particularly beetles. They frequently bloom at the start of the growing season. Garden birds can also find refuge in their branches. Magnolia Champaca common name. The common names of Magnolia Champaca include Sapu, Champak, Yellow Champaca, Orange Champak, etc. Champak gives variety to the garden and takes center stage in the early spring when there is frequently little color elsewhere. For both small and large spaces, they are appropriate. Read about Magnolia liliflora. Facts about Magnolia Champaca. Common name: Champaca, Champak, Yellow Champaca, Orange Champaca. Sapu. Family: Magnoliaceae. Native: Indomalayan realm. Sun: full exposure to sunlight. Life cycle: perennial. Plant shape: conical. Preferred climate: tropical. Water preference: moderate watering. How to grow Magnolia Champaca? It is feasible to cultivate aromatic Champaca from seed if that is what you are wondering. It is significantly simpler if your street or a local park has scented Champaca trees. By picking the fruit, you can start cultivating Champaca magnolias from seed. Take some fruit from the tree once it has finished ripening in the fall. Once they split open to reveal the seeds inside, place them in a dry location. Use sandpaper to lightly sand down and make little knife nicks in the seeds. After that, let them soak in hot water for 24 hours to double in size. If you apply a fungicide to the seeds prior to planting, taking care of Champaca plants will also be simpler. How to care for Magnolia Champaca? You should learn about the cultural needs for fragrant Champaca trees if you are interested in growing them. Although they prefer a place with early sun, they can survive in virtually any soil and tolerate shadow. Champaca trees require a lot of water when first being cared for. Until your plants are established, you must irrigate them frequently and liberally. You can then water them less after that. Hardiness and water. Maintain Champak in its optimum mild to warm temperatures to prevent injuring early flowering buds. The majority of species can endure weather in hardiness zones 4-9. Champak should only require irrigation when they are young, newly planted trees, or when there is a drought. Mulch spread out at the base of your tree will also assist it retain moisture. Sunlight. Another key factor to think about is where you want to place your Champak. Although they can survive cooler temperatures, they prefer a sunny place in the garden with some partial shade for protection throughout the summer. Soil. It's crucial to keep in mind that Champaca favors acidic soils if you are planting in alkaline soil like clay or chalk. To assist increase acidity, add a layer of peat before planting your Champaca. Champaca can cheerfully tolerate compact, rich soil, even in regions where the earth is perpetually damp, especially throughout the winter. Fertilizer. In the spring, apply organic fertilizer to the plant's base. Your Champaca will need additional nitrogen at this time of year because it is just beginning to form leaves. Plants are able to bloom a little later in the season because of this energy boost. So a nitrogen-rich fertilizer, like dried blood meal, is advised. Champaca benefits from a lighter fertilizer feed later in the year, especially if your location receives a lot of rain throughout the growth season. This helps to replenish essential nutrients in the soil. This is the time of year to use a potassium-rich fertilizer, such as potash, which can be applied in the fall before the tree goes dormant for the winter. What is Champaca used for? Grown as an ornamental plant, Magnolia Champaca plant has fragrant flowers that attract hummingbirds and butterflies. While used to make perfumes and air fresheners, Magnolia Champaca flowers are also used in home decor by placing flowers in bowls of water. In addition to looking pleasant to the eyes, they also spread good fragrance in the house. Medicinal uses of Magnolia Champaca. Dysuria treatment. Since Magnolia Champaca is non-toxic, consuming the flower and its juice twice daily will provide relief for those who experience difficulty or pain when urinating. Michelia Champaca aids in promoting urine flow. Treats infections. Magnolia Champaca's antibacterial properties aid in the prevention of infections. For this reason, as well as its exquisite smell, the Hindus venerate them. Encourages spermatogenesis. Meiosis is the process through which gametes are produced. Spermatogenesis is the process of meiosis that leads to sperm production. The golden champa tree facilitates the spermatogenesis-related cell division process. The sperm count is increased by taking the leaf extract once each week. Good for the heart. Magnolia Champaca is beneficial for the heart since it acts on LDL cholesterol and clears it from the circulation. It promotes heart function and makes the blood healthy. Is Magnolia Champaca a home plant? Yes, you can plant fragrant flowering plants outside your house, such as the Magnolia Champaca, which is regarded as lucky. What does Magnolia Champaca smell like? Native to India, Magnolia Champaca has a mix of fruity and floral smell with a hint of musk tone. The tone of Magnolia Champaca is a combination of lilac, orange and jasmine flowers. This suave feature of Magnolia Champaca makes it very usable for perfumes. Magnolia Champaca is widely used in perfumes, mists and air fresheners owing to the amazing smell that it has. So now you must have understood how to grow Champaca plant at home. If you liked this video, then please share it. Stay connected for information about other such plants. Just keep these few small things in mind. Your plant will always enhance the beauty of your house and will also provide you with beneficial and pure air. This is the end of today's video. Let's meet in another video to talk about the care of another plant. Till then, bye friends, happy gardening.